This is stock number J5412. This is a 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is a 4.8 liter regular cab long box. Goodyear Wrangler tires with about, I would say, 80 to 90% of the tread left. Color is white. Paint is very shiny and reflective. Body is in great condition. No dings or dents. Back tires, just as much tread as the front. And frame and underbody is very clean. Nice drop-in bed liner, also very clean. Some light usage, but not a lot. Tailgate is in great condition. No chips. Has backup sensors. And this side, paint is just as clean and reflective as the other side. There are no dings or dents on this side either. This vehicle has a nice gray and black interior, black rubber floors, gray leather seats which are in great condition, no rips or tears. These are not powered seats. The Silverado has 19,525 miles, multifunctional steering wheel, CD player, 4x4 four-wheel drive shifter on the floor, and headliner is very clean. Along with the passenger side of the vehicle, these seats in the back passenger seat does not have any rips or tears in it. Now we'll slide the seat forward, and then in the back where your jack tools are, and now we'll start her up. Rest of the body of the vehicle is in great condition, including the hood. Now we'll take a look at the engine bay. Engine bay is very clean. This truck sounds great and it runs very smooth. To see more pictures of this 2012 Chevy Silverado, please visit lensauto.com.